Anybody that's ever taken a cruise knows that picking a hotel in a port town can go wrong really fast. We just flew into the Long Beach airport and we are staying here at the Hyatt Regency Long Beach. First impressions are really good. Come with us, I'll show you around the room, I'll show you a few things to do, and we'll do it together. Okay, so pretty nice room. I mean, this is easily the nicest pre-cruise room I think that we've ever been in. There's this really neat walkway also that brings you right across over to the restaurants. This place is amazing. Just right across the street, tons of restaurants, and some really awesome sights to see. One of the nice things about staying in a harbor view room, which we're staying in room 626, is waking up in the morning and seeing this. So breakfast isn't included, but there's some really awesome places to eat. They've got a great little breakfast bar. What'd you get, Ben?
Got an egg croissant sandwich.
Good. I got a cheese Danish. How's the coffee?
Really good.
Okay, so our final thoughts on the Hyatt Regency. I thought it was really nice. What do you think, babe?
I liked it.
Yeah. Yeah, it was nice. It was clean. What do you think of the room?
Very nice. Very nice. Clean, good products.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was clean. It was nice. Nice hotel, easy to get to from the airport. 7 miles from the airport. Took us probably about 20 minutes to get here from an Uber. Lots of places to eat around here. Lots of places to shop. Very convenient. And shoot, we're just right here near the ship to get on tomorrow. So really nice place. So I definitely recommend it. What do you think?
Definitely.